Hi, I'm Kierra. Today I will be showing you some simple, quick, and easy fractions to learn. So, we have circles over here, and we have squares over here. Well, I'm going to show you that squares and circles are the exact same for fractions, no matter what. Okay, so this 25% of this circle was colored. 50% of this is now colored. 75 would be here for if I colored this. And 100 for I colored in the whole circle. Now these squares. Now, we're going to show you it's the exact same for squares. So this is 25%, 50%, 75%. This is 100% covered. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, and like and subscribe. Bye.